This your girl Michaela making her 30 things in her room video, but it will probably be more or less than 30 things. I don't know, because I just got my room or whatever and just did it. You know what I mean. Anyways. This is my nutcracker from 2009. I don't know why all the greens look shiny on here. I don't know. Here's a policeman. Anyways. Then I'm gonna do a purple. One of my friends gave it to me. Then I got the cinnamon apple candle. I need to stop messing with that before it breaks. Then I got this wallet with a crown on it, and it's pink, which that's why I don't like it. And yes, I'm a hater pink. Well, as long as if it's not hot pink, then I'm a hater pink. And then this is Star Wars Kissy, you know, Kiss Bass. Really old, really old. Clean and clear face mask stuff for all that right there, which I don't use. I just have it, you know. And I have this ear care when I pierce my cartilage, I think it's called. And I got this right here. You know what that is? You should, with a little candle. And then I got Belle from Beauty and the Beast. It's a piggy bank. Whatever, I only got like her freaking pennies in there, whatever. I don't put no money in it. I got this hourglass. It's a little fast motherfucker. So you see all that? I don't know. Anyways, and there's that pumpkin, and there's that pumpkin, which this Halloween. This one right here, that's mine. That one's my brother's. Yeah, then I got this Jack and Sally poster. Then I got this one. And I got this one from Tim Burton. I got like a whole bunch of Tim Burton stuff. Then I got this one. I got this full of movies. Let's see, let's see what I got. I got an Xbox. Game controller or whatever. Let's see, I got this Miami, what is it again? Miami night, ooh, everything's, ooh. Anyways, I got this Miami night. And then I got Mario and Sonic Olympic Games. Then I got The Sims 2. I got SpongeBob. And then I got The Sims 3, which I have a whole bunch of them, and I highly play them. And then I got these Coraline 3D glasses. Everything looks pink. It looks tight, whatever. It's like pink and purple, I guess. I don't know. Sorry, I'm being random now. Okay. Anyways. Now I got this panda bear. Got that panda bear. Got that cow. Got that cow. Got that teddy bear. Got that teddy bear. Well, I don't know what that is, but I'll call it a teddy bear. And then I got that Mickey Mouse. I got 3 gloves. Purple bandana or whatever. I got a picture of me when I was a little kid. Then I got my mirror. I got this cross, which is really old and is falling apart. And then I got this Casey tea, a little drink. And then I got that I'm about to drink. With that DS pen right there. Then I got this window. Let's see, I got like 5 purses right there with little doggies on them. And I got this Halloween bag full of candy. And I got a Gen X bag and Forever 21 bag. That 5 belts for right now. Can't find my other. Then I got a peach. It's not pink. It's peach shirt. I mean jacket. Let me see. Then I got that shirt. I'm just showing random stuff. I got that shirt, which is a boy shirt. I know I wear boy clothes, whatever. I got that. I got boys, like girls, old, like that's really old shirts, whatever. Then I got this, which is tight. I love it, love it. I don't know why I'm showing random clothes, but I am. I gotta love it. I don't know why I like that, but I do. Probably because it's all colorful. So I got those shoes. I got those boxes, which only one of them, which I think is the boots boxes, has shoes. And I got these, which is the other half to my trips. I got that hat, not necklace. I got this hat. I got this hat. I got this happy birthday thing, 2009, from my daddy. It's broke, I know. I don't play no more. I wish it did. Got that. I got that little thing up there. I got these chains with a little dead kitty cat. Love it. I used to have like a whole bunch. I used to have a monkey, and a dog, and a whole bunch of stuff. I got my eyeglasses, which I just threw because I don't care about them. That keeps me in my. I swear, green looks like it's freaking glowing. It's like it's all sparkly, and it's not. I got this. I think it's at Hardy. I'm not sure though. I got that for my Halloween costume this year. Dead hobo crap. I got this for my old doggy collar, which I wear for a bracelet, whatever. And no, that is not my address or my phone number no more, so whatever. And I don't even know what I'm about to say. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Then I got all these random earrings and stuff. I don't know. I guess they're giving to me. And I got these, like, two earrings. And I just got a couple of my, some piercings. This is just what's up in my room. I got, like, a whole bunch more, and I made a whole bunch. I got these right here, these 4 books, which is My Sister the Vampire. I got this, which is Amanda's, so it's not even mine. This is Amanda's. And I got this card right here. Flash, 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 flash. From my brother in jail. Ow! Pop some. And I got this empty bottle of perfume, exclamation. It's not really good. At least I thought it did. Can't see it, but it's an exclamation. Let me see. I got my mama's computer, which, then there's this computer in here, which is mine. It got the marker on it. Whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna probably get a new one anyways. Ooh, excuse me. I got my DS. I got a picture of me and my mama from like a long time. I have that makeup right there. So I have a little bit right there. I got this all right here. This is on my bed because I love just being creative. And I did that. It's blue and green to match the blue and green on my shirt. And no, I hate green actually, but yet I have green everywhere. I don't know why. It's just too bright for me, but then I have this lava lamp and I have 3 things of hairspray. I hope that when I do this video it's all white over here. Anyway, I got a jelly box, dog hairspray, make my doggy smell better. Got this. Do not judge me when you see this, but I got this. Made it when I was actually really little. This is my name in it. So we decided to use it as a damn it, ashtray. I got this straightener. Got this little bitty straightener. And I got Halloween makeup right there. From like this year. I got trash can and brew. I got my brother's fake knife. Got a Santa Claus chair. Like I said, computer, which is playing Headstrong. Okay. And then there's a, right there, that right there, that's a, pistol sharpener. Then this right here, that's a straightener. And there's my brat bedding. It's really old, and that's all I got right now, so I use it. Oh, here's my fluffy pinkness. I don't know why I hate pink and I hate green, but yet I have it everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Then there's my dog here. Crunch. I don't know. Anyway, that was kind of retarded. But then there's my little rabbit, and right over there, right there, you can't really say it, but it's a Valentine's dog pillow pet. Yeah, pillow pet. Then I got like, I think those are like Xbox 360 games that are green, and then I got the HS movies. Then I got a VHS and a DVD player for my kid box. And my TV, yes, it's very, very old. I'm getting a new one probably Christmas, I don't know. And then, one of my favorite things I just got this year, what's my favorite thing for this year? My hat. My panda hat, and yes, I love pandas. I love them. My nickname's even Fat Panda. So yeah. Let's see. I got this drawing from Anthony R. Email Anthony, got the candy thingy, whatever y'all want to call him, whatever. But with Stephanie, this one right here looks like he's hunting this guy. I'm sorry, but it does. I drew this. I made that in science for Thanksgiving. I drew this. My best friend Phoebe made me that. Steven made me that. I made that. Ooh, shit, almost dropped my phone. There's a whole bunch of prints out. Ooh, and then I'm going to mention my girl Brianna. I love her more than the whole world. She's just the best thing ever. Print me out that. And then I got this. I got Cinderella thingy. It opens. I can't open it. And I got a Hello Kitty lion Halloween costume thing. It comes off and there's like a little pink bow here. Or red, not pink. What does this mean, pink? Anyway, see, red bow. And I got a cow. I got my little brother's bouncy ball, which you can see right there. Well, I don't think there's anything else I can show y'all. There's my phone, whatever, right there. Alright, and that's it. Goodbye, you guys. I love everybody. Miss you, Brianna. Miss everybody, and I especially miss you, Monique. Hope Florida's fun.